What I have here is a Ruyi na bracelet. Itong Ruyi na bracelet is napaka-epektibo talaga na pangpaswerte sa Chinese traditional culture or sa feng shui. Itong Ruyi that symbolizes power, wealth, and also prosperity and fulfillment of wishes. Ito po ang disenyo ng ating Ruyi. And this one is made of silver material. Hindi po yan kakalawangin, hindi yan, it doesn't tarnish, it doesn't fade because this one is made, itong Ruyi natin na centerpiece sa bracelet. This one is made of silver material. It has a red rope that represents as well power and also fulfillment of wishes and also prosperity. Kung gusto mo talagang swertehin, dapat nasuot nyo ito. So you will going to wear this sa inyong receiving hand. If your receiving hand is the right hand when it comes to receiving money, dito nyo siya isuot sa inyong right hand. If you're left-handed, dito kayo tumatanggap ng pera, isuot nyo sa left hand ninyo. Get this one for just an affordable price of 188 pesos. Napakaganda talaga. Both the string and also this specific Ruyi centerpiece is non-tarnish and non-fading. Hindi yan kakalawangin. Kung ano ang bilhin ninyo, ganyan pa rin ang itsura niya in few years of using this specific Lucky Charm bracelet.